diesel. That is not being sustainable. So people are opposing it, and in fact, I would like to inform all of you that the European Union has already banned import of biodiesel produced from palm oil, especially from these two countries. Now, food versus fuel, as I have said, will always remain a big debate, because whenever prices of food goes up, people normally say it is primarily because of food being diverted for fuel production. Now, what are the feedstock which are being suitable? In India, we cannot allow, as I have said, edible feedstock for conversion into biodiesel. So we have to talk about non-edible oils, and there are 450 species of tree borne oil seeds which could be used for biodiesel, and amongst them, jatropha and pongamia are most promising, and algal biofuels are also coming up in a big way, and let us see how far we succeed in making algal biofuel a success. Now, what is the role of catalyst in biodiesel production process? A catalyst, in fact, is a material which accelerates the chemical reaction without being consumed during the reaction, and essentially it increases the energy level, so that a process which otherwise was difficult to execute or which was taking long period of time would have been completed in very small period of time. So one very key area of research in India has been on catalyst. So people have been working on homogeneous catalyst. Good amount of work has been done by Indian researcher and scientists on homogeneous catalyst, but there were certain drawbacks on homogeneous catalyst, and because of homogeneous catalyst, now we are trying to divert into heterogeneous catalyst. Now, when we talk about homogeneous catalyst, the most preferred catalyst is alkaline catalyst. So it may be sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, and I must say that most of the commercial production of biodiesel in India is being produced from base catalyzed transesterification. It is estimated that around 99% of commercial biodiesel production is being produced from base catalyzed transesterification. This process is a well characterized process. It is a low temperature and low pressure